Hi everybody, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. Today I have the winner to the 200th video giveaway celebration, so keep watching. Lots of people ask me about my nozzle, and here it is, all covered in paint. It is attached to my compressor. I do have a link for it in my description area to my Amazon shop if you're interested. As you can see, the nozzle works really well. The fine tip to it really directs the paint exactly where I want it to go. For the sake of the length of the video, I've cut out pouring and just showed you the blowing part of it. These are leftover paints which I had mixed with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. My coaster sets come in a set of 4. These are 4-inch by 4-inch ceramic tiles. Happy with the amount of blue, so I added some leftover paint there and reworked it just a bit. Tell me in the comments section which one is your favorite. These really are mini works of art. They're usable art. I love that. I decided to rework this one just a little bit. It was a little bit too white in the middle there. As you can see, it is a messy process, so I highly recommend you wear gloves. Wow, I love this color combination. You know I do. Blues are my favorite. And look at that. The light blue, the dark blue, and the white work so well together. Look at the gorgeous combinations. I'm going to let it dry and then I will show you. So just 1 second. And here are the coasters all done and they look beautiful. They only took about a day to dry and I love the results. Coming up, you will see a video with the winner for the 200th video giveaway celebration. So keep watching. Thank you so much to everyone who entered the draw. I was so pleased with the number of people who wanted my artwork. And the lucky winner is C. Richardson. Congratulations! Please contact me via my email. It's in the description area. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts, and Pours. The link is in the description area below.